Discover the benefits of interactive learning together with Prestigio solutions. Prestigio MultiBoard and Prestigio MultiPad Visconti allow teachers to communicate the most complicated information to their students in a way that is visual and easy to understand. Teachers can share their screens, exchange files with students, draw their attention, test the class, and even control the students' tablets with a built-in management tool. Moreover, students and teachers can collectively make graphs, solve problems, draw schemes, read and analyze texts. Furthermore, Prestigio software supports 17 languages and is designed to meet the needs of multinational corporations. Use Prestigio technologies to help teachers and students work together by engaging them in an effective and dynamic learning process. Teach and learn effectively with Prestigio.